Are you curious about why so many CEOs hail from India and what sets them apart as leaders? Did you know that Indian-born CEOs are heading up some of the world's largest corporations like Google, Microsoft, IBM, Adobe, and YouTube? Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Arvind Krishna, Shantanu Narayan, and Neil Mohan are leading them. India is a country that is bursting with talent and innovation, and the numbers speak for themselves. Let us share with you some astonishing statistics. A recent study revealed that 58 of the CEOs of Fortune 500 companies are of Indian origin. Also, 25% of Silicon Valley startups are managed by Indians. So, what is the secret behind their extraordinary success? Hello and welcome to the new video by the Education Magazine. In this video, we are going to explore a topic that is making headlines in the business world: why so many CEOs are from India. Here are the 5 reasons. They are education-driven. Did you know that Indian culture puts a lot of emphasis on education? Parents are always pushing their kids to do well in school and study hard. This creates a workforce that is all about learning new things, working hard, and improving themselves. And that is exactly what you want in a CEO, right? Someone who constantly strives to be better and lead their company to success. So, it is no surprise that Indian CEOs are crushing it on the global stage. They are comfortable with ambiguity. Indians are total pros at navigating uncertainty and ambiguity. With so many diverse social, economic, and political challenges in India, they have learned to be agile decision makers and problem solvers. This is a big deal because CEOs who can handle ambiguity are way better at leading their companies through change and driving innovation. And that is exactly why Indian CEOs are taking the world by storm. They value relationships. Building relationships is a big deal in India. Indians place a ton of value on building and nurturing connections, whether it is in their personal or professional lives. That is why Indian CEOs are such great networkers. They know how to build trust and loyalty with everyone, from their employees to their customers to their stakeholders. And when it comes to being a successful CEO, understanding the importance of relationships is key. It is what helps them drive their businesses forward and achieve those big goals. They are resilient and adaptable. India has been through some tough times, from political turmoil to natural disasters, and Indians have had to learn how to roll with the punches. But the good news is, Indians are seriously resilient and adaptable. They know how to bounce back from any setback and come out stronger on the other side. And when it comes to being a CEO, that is a seriously valuable trait to have. Indian CEOs are pros at handling challenging situations and taking calculated risks that lead to success. It is no wonder they are making it in the business world. They are STEM savvy. Indian CEOs are seriously STEM savvy. They are all about science, technology, engineering, and math. With India being a hub for technical education, Indian CEOs are known for their expertise in these fields. And in today's technology-driven world, you need leaders who understand the ins and outs of those fields. Indian CEOs have the knowledge and skills to drive innovation and keep their companies at the forefront of their industries. No doubt Indian CEOs are making waves in the global market. In conclusion, Indian CEOs possess a unique set of values and skills that have propelled them to the top of the global business landscape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel of the Education Magazine. Stay tuned.